taking the time to listen to these tracks weekly, right here at Exclusive Records. Remember,
There's a shot in the mouth.
Why that peace?
You're here to run this shit. Take it away.
We be cruising down the street, feel alive and free. Smoke up some crack, listen PCP. I see the red and blue lights riding up behind me. Take my AK and fire behind me. Homies in the back may have died, but not a single teardrop was ever cried. In this case of life, people lose their lives as I lost my wife 10 nines and knives. And 3 Lambos and Bugattis run over the crew in blue and leave their bodies.
Yachts, crack, titties in my city. Yachts, crack, titties in my city.
Right!
Niggas in the Chirac, trapping titties for racks, stripping haters in my city, smoking weed and crack. We got hustlers in the jungle growing coke and dope, and my black daddy Fred slinging weed and hope. I'm talking big time hustlers selling yachts with crack across the Great Lakes. Then they come and ride back. We run Detroit, Chirac, Milwaukee, St. Louis, strip stack racks, hanging heat, Midwest blood running through it. You got a trip up stack profit, diamond slab mansion. We burn it down. Them go up, house go brown. Parents, dead here, LaShawn, R.I.P. Sometimes hustlers gotta die for this much money. Shipping rocks and semis to international slang homes. Check my cell phone, your girl's calling my phone.
Yachts, crack, titties in my city. Yachts, crack, titties in my city. Right!